welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first episode of Helping Myself. Today, as you've seen already, I'm going to be having a big old clear out. First, I thought I'd just explain why I'm doing this series. Basically, my mental health has been the best it's been probably ever, which is weird considering, that what's happened, and I know that my next year is going to be a really stressful one, so I thought I need to do something to help myself. So I thought I would jot down all the areas that are potentially causing me to have anxiety and things that I can control. The first one was my organisation. Second one was holding on to things that I don't need. I've got too much stuff basically, so this video is going to be me sorting it out. So let me show you my wardrobe. I share this with my boyfriend. It is tiny. It's meant to be half and half, but it's not. We need to have a third bedroom just to have like a walk-in wardrobe, but obviously that's not going to happen. Let me show you. Okay. Guys, it is terrible. So here's my side. Sorry if you can hear all these noises, it is really noisy outside. So that's my side with the boxes. So obviously I've got two boxes and then those are my boyfriend's, and that's his side. But I've got so much stuff that I've got things there and piling. I've got an ottoman bed, so under there it is full of clothes, and then in my loft I've just got loads of clothes too, so it's not ideal and I need to go through it, but that's the whole point of this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my boxes and I'm literally just going to dump everything out onto the floor. I'm going to do it a box at a time though. Okay, so I've got a big pile of clothes, obviously, as you can see. So I'm going to try and do what Marie Kondo, I keep on saying her name, Kondo, what she does, where she holds an item, you probably know this already, and she decides whether she has got any attachment to it. So here I have got a white t-shirt. I bought this last September, and I was going to say anything that I've got that is white, I turn grey. I mean, if you watched one of my last videos, I've literally just bought this, so I'm hoping I don't turn this one grey, but this has definitely discoloured and it's thin. It's from New Look. I wouldn't say it's overly grey, but if you compare the shades, and I think it's just a bit too see-through, so I'm going to just get rid. Right, so I'm going to repeat that process for pretty much everything that I've got here. I'm going to make a donation pile, a get rid pile, and then a maybe pile, and then obviously a keep pile. So I'm going to fast forward through this bit and I will show you the piles at the end. So I thought that I would just hop back on and tell you that I've done some research into the psychology of tidying and the impact on mental health. So I don't want to bore you, but I'll keep this short. So research has shown that having a clean out and having an organised environment has a significant impact on cognition and your ability to think. Successfully completing a task such as cleaning or decluttering, like I am doing, it can boost our sense of self-efficacy. So that means that we will develop our perceptions of success and overall well-being. So for example, sometimes I don't get to finish a task, so I've made my task too large. Really, I wanted to organise my loft and under the bed. That's just way too much and I won't succeed in doing that, so I kept it small. I kept it just being the wardrobe, and because I successfully did this afterwards, I just felt so good about myself, which I know sounds weird, but it just means that if I actually set some time aside and do it, get it done, it's a lot easier on my mental health, I guess, than just leaving it, letting it fester. Honestly, it was getting worse and worse. Like, clothes are constantly falling out the wardrobe. That's not good. So I would just perceive myself as being lazy, or like I can't achieve it. So yeah, getting it done definitely helped that. Oh man, right. That didn't go to plan. I thought I'd have way more to chuck out. Have a little look. The white t-shirt that you saw before, my lovely Topshop jeans that I bought when I lost a heap of weight. They are a size 6. I am a size 10 to 12. And like I mentioned, that's why I'm getting rid of a load of stuff. Some leggings that are faded. This, which is just minging. Look at the state of that. That was Primark last Christmas. And then this is my keep pile. I need to be real with myself. Like, this is just insane. I've got so many items of clothing here. It's just unnecessary. All right, I've got an idea. I'm gonna get everything else out. I'm gonna get that other box out, chuck all of that on the floor, and then do the same thing. Hopefully the other box is going to be like just full of things to get rid for the sake of my sanity and the sake of my wardrobe. I forgot to press start, but I've just got rid of another box, and this one had a few more things to get rid of. Let me show you. Okay, so this one was more like trousers, jumpers, things like that. I had some skirts. Guys, I am such a hoarder. Some of these things I've not worn for like over 2-3 years, and I've somehow got to fit them in there. So I'm gonna grab a bag, put these things in to get them out of here. And then I'm gonna try and organise these. Okay, so I have just gone through some of my things in the wardrobe. Let's have a look. So much like bad energy, such as this. And do you know what I've realised? It is all things I used to wear to work, apart from that. Or it's just really thin, cheap clothing, like this, for example. My boyfriend waited until we got out. Literally, I think we were in like a beer garden, and he tells me that my dress is so see-through he can see my knickers. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I definitely don't fit this anymore, but I want to keep it for like inspo. It's so cute. When I say inspo, that sounds bad, but like I said earlier, I went through a rough patch and I lost a heap of weight. This is, let's have a look, size 6. I don't think I'm going to get into a size 6 again, but I just really like this, that I don't want to get rid of it. This, I don't know if I like that still. Right, okay, next. I've got a Primark version. This one was from New Look. Haven't worn this in 2 years, but I've not really been going out anywhere. Got bad vibes coming from this, so I'm going to get rid of these. They're a bit wacky, aren't they? That can be vacuum packed. Look at it. It's inside out, I know, but you understand like what material that is. I now need to sort out all of these on the floor, and then hopefully I've got enough hangers so I can put those things away in the wardrobe too. I'm sorry about the curtain, I didn't realise it was there until I just came back to the camera. So noisy. Right, okay. I have cleared my side of the wardrobe, cleared through most of it. Okay, I'm really sweating now, as you can tell. I have gone through every piece that's hanging and decided whether I'm going to keep it or not. Yeah, I have got rid of quite a few pieces, to be fair. I'm now going to put the boxes back up, and then I'm going to take another good look to see how it, do you know what, I feel better already. Getting rid of those pieces that I used to wear from like when I worked at school. It's just getting rid of just the negative feelings I have about the clothes I wear. Like, I want to feel good in what I wear. Yeah, let's get the boxes back up and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, let me show you what I've done. Okay, so I've got the pile to vacuum pack. I've got my pyjama top there. And then I have got my get rid of bags. And then, yeah, here's my wardrobe now. The underwear is still a mess. I'm going to do that next. And then I've got, ignore that side, that is just all my boyfriend. But I finally got my t-shirts hanging. Like, I look at my wardrobe now and it's the kind of palette that I want. I love dark tones, like nude tones, obviously purples. This is an exception, this is so loud, but yeah. I think you can tell my kind of style and vibe just by looking at what's in there. And look, nothing is hanging out, nothing is bulging. I feel so much better about this now, like already. I think this was a success, definitely. I can't wait for IKEA to restock on their Algot things so I can finally get organised and have some drawers. I will have to like give an update on Instagram when I do that. I'm hoping it's soon. I've literally got myself ready with a basket on their website. So it won't look like this for much longer. Just look at that. That's just chaos, in it. That's even worse. I've been having to keep underwear in these little baskets. It ends up just falling down on the floor. I've got nowhere to put my pyjamas. These shoes can just go. I've already got a bag to donate there. I'm so ready for some change. It is such a hot day. Okay, I'm gonna do my underwear now. I'm really sure you guys want to see this bit, don't you? Not. So I've sorted this out now. I've got way less in there. I'm still not happy though. To be fair, I am happy. I can't lie, I am happy. Look how good that looks. I just feel like that's me now. Apart from actually, I am a big old mess, so the bit at the bottom is me. Isn't how I want to be, but yeah, I want to sort that out. And then I've got this, yeah, all sorted on that front. Okay, so I'm so glad that's over with. I'm so glad that I've got a tidy wardrobe now. I'm feeling better already. It's like day 3. I've already been living with the wardrobe. I've been trying to keep it organised, and so far it's going all right. I know it's only been day 3, but you got to think about how good the weather's been. I've been churning out the washing, and yeah, I've not had any issues yet. I'm just still checking IKEA for their organisation, and then hopefully my wardrobe will be complete. I would like to thank you all so much for watching. This is part 1. On Monday I'm going to be uploading part 2. That is sorting out my sleep pattern, so yeah, that one is finished and raring to go. Then I've got part 3 on Wednesday and part 4 final on Friday. I'm so excited for you to watch them. I want your feedback. I want to know how your organisation is in your wardrobe. I want some inspo. Obviously I've been checking Instagram, YouTube and Pinterest to see what other people do, so I want to know what works for you. And see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.